What's she doing?
Wood smells funny.
Joy, this is going to fall down on our heads if we're not careful.
Smell that.
Now we got a problem. Pull this rope. There we go. It's come to the come along.
Come have this other things up on YouTube.
Victory! We got her down. Ah, did you fall down a little bit?
Did a nice little loop.
Now, chucking it up in the lathe. And get the wood out of the old handle out. Dander around. Shape on it now. There we go. Starting to look like a handle now. Wire. Smooth that out. Nice little notch there. Yeah. Smooth that is. You just gotta make sure that that's the right dimensions. That'll go in the stain finish. Well, it sure is pretty. Might not last one shovel full of dirt. Let's look at that, very nice. And here is the final product on the shovel. Look at that, right next to, so you went from this to that. Beautiful.